March 1st, a progressive northern stream trough is driving active weather from the Pacific Northwest into the Great Lakes while a moist, unstable air mass lingers along portions of the Gulf Coast and southeast. So, today's operational focus is on mountain snow and turbulence out west, gusty gradient winds through the plains and Midwest, and pockets of convection and low ceilings in the southeast. Across Washington and Oregon into Idaho and western Montana, onshore flow tied to the upper trough is producing widespread mountain obscuration, embedded snow showers, and periodic IFR in heavier bursts, with moderate icing in the cloud layer and mechanical turbulence downwind of the Cascades and northern Rockies. Seattle, Portland, and Spokane will see variable ceilings with tempo reductions, and routing over the terrain should account for icing layers and wave activity. Farther south into Northern California and Nevada, the trailing energy is weaker, but still supporting scattered showers and terrain-driven MVFR, while Southern California remains largely VFR, with only localized coastal stratus early. Over the Rockies and into Colorado and Wyoming, strong mid-level flow is translating to moderate mountain wave turbulence and areas of blowing snow at elevation, with Denver and Salt Lake City mainly VFR, but subject to gusty crosswinds and occasional Virga-related variability. Downstream, the tightening surface pressure gradient across the Central Plains into the Midwest is supporting sustained surface winds and higher gusts from Texas through Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, and into Indiana and Ohio. Expect crosswind considerations at Dallas-Fort Worth, Kansas City, Chicago, and Indianapolis, along with low-level wind shear during the morning and mechanical turbulence below 10,000 feet. In the Great Lakes and interior Northeast, wraparound moisture and cold advection behind the departing system are producing scattered snow showers and lake-enhanced bands with brief IFR and visibility drops, particularly downwind of Lakes Erie and Ontario, while ceilings gradually lift west to east through the day. Along the mid-Atlantic into New England, improving conditions are underway, but lingering MVFR ceilings and brisk northwest winds will persist through the morning push before gradual clearing. The primary convective concern is across parts of the Gulf Coast and southeast, where a moist boundary layer and passing shortwave support scattered showers and embedded thunderstorms from eastern Texas and Louisiana through Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. While severe coverage is limited, brief heavy rain, lightning, and localized gusts will require tactical deviations around cells, especially near Houston, New Orleans, Atlanta, and Jacksonville. Florida Peninsula terminals outside convection remain largely VFR, with sea breeze influences later today. Overall, plan for turbulence and icing west of the Continental Divide, strong surface winds through the Central Corridor, localized lake effect in the Great Lakes, and scattered convection along the Gulf Coast, with most major hubs maintaining workable conditions, but requiring close attention to winds and short-notice ceiling or visibility reductions.